What's going on, everybody? This is Dennis again, a team member here at Streamcore Productions, where we focus on video production and marketing, photography, music, and audio production. Today's video is going to be extremely important. You own a business, you own a nonprofit, a church, no matter what type of organization it is, we all know that marketing is the lifeblood of every organization. And the tips we're going to give today are going to be focused around how you market on different social media sites. Believe it or not, there are subtle differences on the way you need to market on different social media sites. And today, we're going to be pointing those things out for you. Depending on where you're seeing this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss out on future videos. And also head over to our Patreon page where you can have access to exclusive content and one-on-one support. Okay, let's get into it. Video marketing is definitely the best way to market your business here in 2020 and going forward. Hearing someone make this type of statement can seem very redundant when you've tried video marketing yourself and you haven't seen the results you thought you would see. Now, here on this channel, we have covered different elements of video that are essential for your marketing to send the appropriate message to your client. Now, when I say message, I'm not just talking about the writing of your commercial or your content, which is extremely important. We'll have more videos on that very soon. When I say message in this sense, I'm talking about not just the writing, I'm talking more about the quality of the video, the quality of the audio, making sure that your B-roll is professional if you're at that level. There are a lot of different things that you need to consider before you release something to your potential clients. Now, we've talked about many of these things in content that we've already released. If you want to get caught up, click the title card at the top right-hand corner of this video. But today we want to focus on subtle strategic differences in marketing on different social media sites. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about YouTube. Let's start by asking ourselves some questions and hopefully making some connections between what causes us to click a video and what doesn't. How many times have you been strolling through videos on YouTube and you run across a video that has bold letters, really large lettering, a colorful background, and maybe a picture that connects you to an emotion? Usually this is what you see on channels that have very high subscribers and are doing quite well. The question is, why are they doing it on YouTube, but they do something different on Facebook and Instagram? If you've ever uploaded a video to YouTube, you know that when you're going through the process, eventually you come to the selection of a thumbnail. Now, YouTube can generate thumbnails for you, or it gives you the option of uploading a thumbnail. The best option is to go into some type of editing software where you can create a thumbnail instead of having YouTube generate one. It doesn't really give you a lot of options, and it may not send the message that you're trying to convey. The reason why thumbnails are so important on YouTube is because when you put your mouse over that video, you usually see the thumbnail and maybe one more quick scene, and then it kind of repeats itself. This is a subtle difference between YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. When you see a video on Facebook, you don't just get a quick 2-second preview. The video actually begins to play without sound. And this is a very important factor. The only way your clients would hear those first crucial seconds of your video on Instagram and Facebook is if they have already chosen to unmute sound on a previous video. Now, I don't know about you, but a lot of times I don't want to hear every video that comes on my Facebook feed. So usually I'll unmute and then mute after I've seen a video. I know many of us have heard that the first few seconds of a video or a song or anything that you're putting in front of the masses is the most important part of the video. If you can't catch them then, they'll probably turn and go watch something else. This is why having moving text is extremely important when marketing on Facebook and Instagram or any other social site that mutes videos from the beginning. So the only reason that they're giving your video a chance is because they read the title and they're interested in the content, or they're part of the group of people that you're boosting to. So even though you may have voiceovers, if you add some type of animation in the beginning that describes what the video is about or a need that they have, they're more likely to watch that video. Okay, so the major lesson here is before you go marketing with your videos on a social site, you need to pay close attention to other videos to see how that social site previews their videos. Once you see that, you know the best way to move forward. These small differences are life-changing, and it really can set your video apart from the competition. Depending on where you're seeing this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss out on future videos. And also head over to our Patreon page where you can have access to exclusive content and one-on-one support.